How are you doing, guys? I hope you are still excited to know about thermodynamics and enjoy learning it. In this flick, we will learn about pressure. The pressure is defined as a normal force exerted by a fluid per unit area. Naturally, we speak of pressure when we deal with a gas or a liquid. It has the Newton's unit per square meter, which is called a Pascal. One Pascal equals 1 Newton per square meter. Units of pressure can be in various modes. The pressure unit Pascal is too small for most pressures encountered in practice. Therefore, its multiples kilopascal and megapascal are commonly used. Three other pressure units commonly used in practice, especially in Europe, are bar, standard atmosphere, and kilogram force per square centimeter. Now let us learn the types of pressure. The actual pressure at a given position is called the absolute pressure, and it is measured relative to absolute vacuum. Gauge pressure is the pressure of a device. However, most pressure measuring devices are calibrated to read zero in the atmosphere. This indicates the difference between the absolute pressure and the local atmospheric pressure. Therefore, this difference is called the gauge pressure. The gauge pressure can be positive or negative, but pressures below atmospheric pressure are called vacuum pressures. They are measured by vacuum gauges that indicate the difference between the atmospheric pressure and the absolute pressure. The absolute gauge and vacuum pressures are related to each other by given equations. The comparison between these pressures can be illustrated in the given figure. This illustration describes the difference between absolute gauge and vacuum pressures. To demonstrate this concept, let us comprehend the following example. The absolute pressure to be determined. As we know that the gauge pressure is lower than the atmospheric pressure based on the given value, therefore, we can use the equation given to calculate the absolute pressure as shown here. Based on the calculation, the absolute pressure can be determined to be 8.7 psi.